pleasure to describe for you today's flight demonstration by the world's most prolific single-seat, single-engine, multi-role fighter, the F16 Falcon. The pilot for today's demonstration is Major Richard Smeating, call sign Punch, from Fort Collins, Colorado. Major Smeating is a veteran fighter pilot with more than 1,500 hours in jet aircraft. The safety observer for today's demonstration is Captain Dakota Nova Newton, also an F-16 fighter pilot from Parker, Colorado. Launching Major Smeating today are Staff Sergeant Byron Cole from Las Vegas, Nevada, Staff Sergeant Stephen Pedrick from Johnstown, New York, and Senior Airman Johnny Bowles from Pearl River, New York. Today, Major Smeating will demonstrate the F-16's remarkable power by pulling up into a Cuban 8 after only a 1,000-foot takeoff roll. In this maneuver, he will inscribe a figure 8 above the field. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, Major Smeating in the F-16 Fighting Falcon. As Major Smeating passes show center, he will apply full afterburner and accelerate the aircraft into a near vertical climb, demonstrating the F-16's awesome thrust-to-weight ratio. We thank you for being with us today. I hope you've enjoyed this brief look at the F-16 Fighting Falcon. If you have any questions about this outstanding aircraft or the United States Air Force, please feel free to ask either Major Smeating, myself, or any of our maintenance professionals. We will be happy to talk with you. Thank you and have a great day.
And make sure you give the pilot of the F-16 a good wave as he goes by. Another stunning display by the F-16 demo team from the Pacific demonstration team visiting Avalon today. Always breathtaking, that display, as is most of the heavy jets, but there's something supremely special about the F-16 Fighting Falcon.
Runs away with it. What did I just say? Now that it gets